Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, to my YouTube channel. I was about to say IGTV. So yes guys, as I have mentioned a previous weeks back that I was gonna be bringing my YouTube back, guys. I'm gonna be actually getting ready and doing this holiday looks. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna be uploading them here on YouTube so you guys could see and learn a lot of the stuff. I know I have been asked many times for me to come back to YouTube so I could teach you guys some more. So the ones that I have been requested the most is it's a cut crease and also the halo look for Thanksgiving. Now for today, of course, we're gonna do the cut crease so you guys can learn with me and look super glamorous for Thanksgiving, you guys. As you can see, I did my hair. I put on my wig especially for this hair because we know we are in the Thanksgiving vibes, and with the ombre hair. So the other one that I wanted to kind of tell you guys, let it out there, I'm gonna be finally I'm gonna be uploading a video also on my vanity, everything that I got and stuff like that. I have been requested so many times, you guys, as if I could please do a video for that and show you guys everything I have, how I organize and everything. So I am gonna be filming that next week, you guys. I had to purchase a lot of the little trays. If you guys follow me on Instagram, by the time this uploads, it will be a little bit too late. But yes, I have been buying some trays, and the reason why I've been like pushing this video out and taking so long to come out is because I wanted to make sure everything is perfect, super organized and stuff like that. So that will be coming up next week, guys, so stay tuned for that video so I can show you guys all of the stuff that I have. I didn't want to film too much. I'm just gonna say this quickly before we start. I didn't want to film it at first because I don't have that much stuff, like that much palettes. So I was like, every time I organize it, I always get asked, can we please get a tour of your vanity, everything that you have. So I was like, might as well, you know, the holidays is perfect. So I'm decorating my vanity, making sure it looks like super holiday glam for you guys to see. So now that we started, oh my gosh, already like a few minutes. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna come in with a cut crease, guys, and then we're gonna show you guys how to create that. Okay, so for my concealer, of course, we're gonna use e.l.f. and it's gonna be fair beige. I was gonna use a darker one, but it actually finished on me, so I had to go buy some. So I was like, might as well go ahead and finish this ones because I have quite a few. They're like still, I haven't used them that much. I was like, might as well use it. We got who is ready for Thanksgiving. I am, you guys. I am ready to be with the family, eat some bomb food, stuff like that. Of course, we want to make sure that you get the on this, don't worry too much. You could take it off like right now or wait till later to take it off, so it won't be like, you know, too big. Okay, now with the palette I'm gonna be using, I haven't used this palette. I did got it at the makeup blowout sale when it came this May 29. Of course I remember because it was my birthday. So I was hoping to use this palette, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it for this look for Thanksgiving, and it's called Olivia by Beauty Creations. And look, at this is a reason why I say this will be a perfect palette for like a Thanksgiving because it has all those neutrals, it has the browns, some shimmers in there that you can kind of mix in them. So I'm gonna be using this palette for you guys so you guys can see the beautiful look that I'm gonna be creating for you guys. So I'm gonna right off the bat, I'm gonna jump on with this one right here and put it under my brow. You always want to go, this is me, you know, this is what I always do. You always want to go with a lighter shade under the brown, so that way when you finish blending everything, it's gonna give you like that white over here, that white shadow that's gonna blend beautiful. And only use it under the brow. You don't go more down, just right here you keep it. I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's not really picking up on the camera, but it's a little bit darker, like slightly dark. Now that one, we're gonna use it as a transition shade. Using this one right here, and also this one. And we're gonna start bringing this one a little bit. We're gonna start bringing it in the cut crease. And we're gonna start bringing it up outwards right here. because remember, we're going for a cut crease this time. Now, I don't know about you guys. I usually do this first, my eyes first. This is optional. You don't have to start the way I do. I just feel like this way for me is easier in case if shadow fall out and stuff like that. I can actually clean it once I'm about to jump onto foundation. If you guys are an expert, go ahead and do however you feel like, whether foundation first and shadow at the end, or how I do shadow first and then foundation at the end. So now it's getting a little bit slightly darker. Now we're gonna jump on to that other darker shade and see how this one is. Gonna darken up a lot more, and slowly you're gonna start bringing this one up as well, so it won't be like a harsh line right there. Also, when I'm using, I love to use this one so I can wipe off, scrub the axis, and just easily give you a nice blend, as you can see, comparing to this one. So here comes the fun part, guys. I got this one at Dollar Tree and I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and use it on to clean my lids, and for this I'm just gonna use a regular wipey and just make a cut crease. Oh, it comes out a lot. Whoa. So slowly start making a cut crease. If you feel like you're gonna mess up with a wipey, go ahead and use a Q-tip. You could use that as well, so it can give you a super clear, sharp look. They cut it pretty clean. Wow. Okay, Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna go on using my concealer. And what I like to do when it has access from the concealer, I like to squeeze it super thin, and you can see it gives it like a sharp tip. That way you can cut your crease and you won't have any type of problem. Now from here, I'm used to, I already know where my cut is. It needs to be cut. My cut crease needs to be cut. In case if you guys don't know, make sure the concealer is gonna be super wet, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna look up, and then where it stains, that's when you're gonna cut your crease. Now with my baby beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this concealer. So if you guys go to Dollar Tree, get this one right here. It's pretty good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here for the meanwhile, and then we're gonna be adding some glitters. This one is optional too, what you guys could do. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna grab some more of that dark brown that we put on, and I'm gonna get a angled fluffy brush, and I'm gonna try to get as close possible right here. Okay, now for the glitter part, I'm gonna be using 5150 lashes. They're chunky glitter. This one's super perfect for this holiday, for Thanksgiving. You can also use my discount code. I will leave it in the description box below. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase them with her, you guys could definitely do so. And she has some bomb lashes as well, you guys. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna add all over lids so it can stand out so much. Now I got asked a while ago why I do this instead of using eyelash glue. You could use eyelash glue. I just prefer not to use it. The reason why is because it's a little bit more hard to take it off when you like washing it off. So this is the reason why I actually don't use that, and it will mess up my brushes. But if you guys like to use the adhesive, the eyelash glue, go ahead and use it. There's no problem not using that one either. I know with that one it would hold a lot the glitter longer, so I mean, this one holds pretty good too. It's just that for me to wipe that off is super easy. I don't struggle to be taking it off with makeup remover or anything. Any glitter primer would do the job for you. No, it doesn't necessarily have to be NYX. I know there's other brands out there that you could use. And on this one, I like to use one tap and go down. I don't like to go over and over. You mess up the glitter pretty much. So you want to work in sections. And this one doesn't dry super fast. You can actually do the whole eye in one hit. And you don't have to worry about drying. Super, super pretty, you guys. Look how beautiful it glows. And under low light, oh my god, they perform so beautiful, you guys. Now this is super, super optional, guys. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my metallic liners. You can also find this on Amazon, guys. This were sent to me last year, I believe so, and they're still pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them. So I'm gonna use this one which is a number 2, and it's kind of like a pink, beautiful color. I'm gonna swipe it right here for you guys. It shows super nice. Try to get as close possible to the cut crease and apply it. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and this one is in the jet black. It's brand new. So we're gonna apply this one right here. And we're gonna be bringing this one a little bit higher than usual, so it can give you like that fox eye once you apply your lashes. Lashes that I'm gonna be using are these beautiful lashes right here. You can also follow her on Instagram, you guys. And this is the tiny little lashes that we're gonna be using because I want to show off my glitter. Make sure you have some tiny lashes for this, or you can also use like the ones that are like super separate. You can also use those ones. Here I always like to start from the beginning, from right here, from my inner corner. The reason why is because I start bringing the lash into an angle, so it can give you more like a cat eye. Jump with this foundation. For the winter, guys, I love to use this one because it's super full coverage, and it will give you like that kind of sort of filter look. I'm gonna use this one, Super Stay foundation. My shade is 220. I'm gonna use baby beauty blenders and just blend this front right here, this front part, and it's also gonna give you like that ombre effect on your brows. The body sponge from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna blend everything. I'm gonna be using Airspun, which is the translucent extra coverage sponge. I'm gonna be using Tati Beauty. And I'm gonna put some on my brows too, so it will be a little bit lighter. It won't be too dark. Optional as well, you guys. And for contour, I also just bought this at Dollar Tree. I am excited to try it. It's from LA Colors in Cocoa. This one is a face powder, guys, but I actually love to use this ones as contour because they actually last a little longer, and they're powders. So if you guys are not fans of powders, you can definitely use the creams, but I'm gonna try this one and see how this one comes out. Now I'm not gonna actually do all over my forehead because I do have bangs in this wig, and it's gonna be kind of pointless, you know, to do my forehead contour. We're gonna add on our jawline as well to make us look sucked in. I'll be using this two right here. So from highlighter, I'm gonna be using my Mega Honey from Makeup Obsession, which looks like this. I'm gonna spray some water so it can pick up the pigment. Now on here, I don't exaggerate actually when I go out of outside. When I go out, I actually don't do this. I just like to do this for the picture so it can pick up the highlight from my my nose and this part right here. So just to give you guys a heads up, I usually don't go out like this, okay guys? So super extra high. Now I'm gonna be using those same colors that I used on top. I'm gonna use them right here under my eye. Now for my waterline, I'm gonna be using LA Colors, and it's a gel eyeliner in black, of course. We're gonna apply that under my waterline. And use from Radiant Professional Makeup, and it's a liquid eyeliner. It's actually waterproof as well, you guys. So we're gonna connect that line. As for lips, we're gonna be using this beautiful right here, and this one's on Profusion, which is Matte Fantasy. And then to give a little bit more pop, I'm gonna use the topper in Fantasy from Profusion as well. And this one gives it like a glitter. You guys are gonna see it's a pretty color. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my wig and put on some contacts for you guys. Alright guys, and that is it for my look for today, you guys. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Beautiful glam Thanksgiving look, you guys. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think it's pretty cool. And then let me show you guys on the low light how beautiful this glitter shows under low light. This glitter is super pigmented, you guys. Like you guys can see, it's super glam, very shine, and you're definitely gonna see it from far away, you guys. This is why I love her glitter so much, because you could go like from far away and you could still see the glitters on it. But this is a beautiful glitter. It has a big selection for you guys to choose from. So if you guys gonna shop at 5150, I will leave my discount code. If you guys purchase some with her, you guys can definitely use my discount code with her, guys. And you guys, she has a big selection for you guys to choose which glitter you want, you guys. So that is it again. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys, and see you to the next one. Bye.